Hello folks and welcome to a rather explosive episode of Yuva Bharat with me Shaunak. Now today I'm going to talk to you about a sport that is close to many a young man's heart, bodybuilding. Well, bodybuilding is a sport where you actually make the size of your muscle fibers bigger and make them more defined, and this is achieved by a combination of resistance training and the right kind of nutritional intake. Well, in competitive bodybuilding, you have a set routine. You have a couple of compulsory poses and then you have one freestyle pose. Well, but to know more about all of this, about the nuances and intricacies of bodybuilding, let us head over to Mir Mohtasham Ali Khan, who also happens to be a champion bodybuilder belonging to Andhra Pradesh. Here, take a look.
Every sport demands the most from athletes who compete in it. So succeed or fail, bodybuilding is not a beauty pageant for men, but something into which goes a lot of hard grind. Today we will bring to you Mir Mohtasham Ali Khan, a bodybuilder from Andhra Pradesh, who is also the first bodybuilder from the state to compete in the World Bodybuilding Championship.
Hi, I am Mir Mohtasham Ali Khan from Hyderabad, South Central Railway employee. I got 9 times Mr. Andhra Pradesh, 11 times Mr. Hyderabad, 8 times Mr. South Central Railway, 3 times Mr. South India, 1 time Mr. India 2008 in Pune, Mr. World silver medalist. Las Vegas I got silver medal in Mr. World Championship 2008, and Mr. Universe 6th Florida, Miami 2009.
A silver medalist in the Musclemania World Bodybuilding Championship, he has no coach unlike his competitors and prefers to train on his own. He does so by watching Arnold Schwarzenegger's videos and poring through Schwarzenegger's books on bodybuilding.
I was inspired by Arnold Schwarzenegger and he is my role model and ideal. From my childhood onwards, I dreamed to do something for my country in a different way. So I selected this, especially bodybuilding, because this is not a team game but individual, and it is very healthy game, and I want to make my presence in this game.
Mohtasham is the one who brought the rare honor to the country and laurels in the field where Indians never had much to celebrate. He was the captain of 14-member Indian team which participated in the Musclemania Championship, the highly respected World Bodybuilding Championship in Las Vegas, California. The former Mr. India considers bodybuilding not just a sport but a subculture. He exercises for almost 4.5 hours every day and maintains that bodybuilding does not get as much encouragement and patronage in India as in other countries.
I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning and do my praying and all. Then I'll take my small snack diet like fruits and boiled eggs. After 25 minutes, I start my daily exercise at my gym. Usually I start from my warm-up exercise and do some small exercises, because in the evening only we do our heavy exercises. But in the morning I do my cardiac exercises, then I'll do my daily routine after that.
The secret of his incredible perfect body rippling with muscles is the result of long hours of pumping iron in the gym, backed by a great diet which cost him around rupees 1200 per day.
Usually we the bodybuilders need very high protein diet on food habit. So usually I will take 30 boiled eggs, 1 kg chicken, 12 oranges, 200 grams green salad, 1 cup sweet corn and oats, and 4 glass of sweet lime juice. If we don't have competition, we need the milk also, because it is a healthy and powerful game. So we have to take care of our body and health. We avoid oily food, sweets, cold drinks and heavy carbohydrates before the competition.
Most bodybuilders say that it is not just quantity but also quality that matters. On that note, I'm going to take a small break, but when we come back, we will continue our discussion with Mir Mohtasham Ali Khan about bodybuilding. Keep watching. Opportunities are many. Most important thing is to make the right choice. We are here to inform, inspire and guide you. Watch Yuva Bharat and make the right career choice.
Suraj, active boy. Checkmate. Malli Suraja. Suraj. ఇది ఎలా సాధ్యం? ఎలాగైనా తెలుసుకోవాలి. సూరజ్ హెల్త్ సీక్రెట్ ఏమిటి? ప్రియా సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఆయిల్. ఫ్యామిలీ ఆరోగ్య విషయంలో ఎంతో జాగ్రత్త తీసుకోవాలి. వంట నూనె విషయంలో నో కాంప్రమైజ్. ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటేనే కదా ఏదైనా సాధించగలం. అందుకే ప్రియా సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఆయిల్ మా జీవితంలో ఒక భాగమైంది. రండి మేడం. మా సూరజ్ హెల్త్ సీక్రెట్ తెలుసుకున్నారా? ప్రియా సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఆయిల్.
ఇది తెలివైన వారి బెస్ట్ చాయిస్. చూసాకే ప్రేమించాలని పెట్టిందే సోపు రాసుకుంటే సెక్సీ గుంటవులే పిల్ల.
పాన్స్ పౌడర్ పూసుకుంటే నైస్ గుంటానే మళ్ళా.
ఆనందాలే మన ఆస్తులు, హాకీలే మన అంతస్తులు. ఓం నమో నారాయణాయ, ఓం నమో నారాయణాయ. సుప్రసిద్ధ వైష్ణవ క్షేత్రం శ్రీరంగాన్ని మీ ముందుకు తెస్తోంది
ఆర్ఎస్ బ్రదర్స్ సమర్పించు తీర్థయాత్ర.
డిసెంబర్ 27వ తేదీ సాయంత్రం 4:30 మీ ఈటీవీ 2లో.
ఆర్ఎస్ బ్రదర్స్ సమర్పించు తీర్థయాత్ర.
పెళ్లి పట్టు చీరలకు 916 బంగారు ఆభరణాలకు
ఆర్ఎస్ బ్రదర్స్ హైదరాబాద్, సికింద్రాబాద్, విజయవాడ.
సంస్కారవంతమైన సూప్. ఫలించని జాతకం, ప్రతి పనికి ప్రతిబంధకం, వెంటాడే అంకెలు, కాటేసే క్షణాలు, అనునిత్యం పీడించే గ్రహాలు, అంతటా ఆశల ఆవిరి, భవిష్యత్తు అయోమయం. నిత్య జీవితంలో సమస్యలతో కొట్టుమిట్టాడే వారికి పరిష్కారాల్ని సూచించే